Did you see that? The light.
It's just an old house, Chloe.
An outlet should never make a sound. It's a warning. A whisper. Liam. Listen. Can you hear that?
It's probably the refrigerator compressor.
No.
It's coming from there.
Heat is a sign of resistance. A battle happening inside the walls. It feels warm. This isn't right.
It's fine. We need this plugged in.
Get back! Ah! What's that?
If your outlet in America looks safe, it might be lying.